Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be installing Windows 98 2nd Edition into a virtual machine. Now I have the disk and the drive and we're just going to slide the drive in. And let's just get started. So we're going to hit start. I already have the machine set up to boot from the physical drive. As you can see, I inserted the drive. I inserted the disk, more of. So we're just going to hit start. I tightened on my chair, was way squeakier. Okay, and now we're going to go and hit boot from CD-ROM. Now we're going to start Windows 98 setup from CD-ROM. CD-ROM is going to be said a lot. It says, welcome to setup. This setup program prepares Windows 98 to run on your computer. To set up Windows now, press enter. So that's what we want to do. So we're going to hit enter. And we're going to configure unallocated disk space because it's an empty disk. And we're going to enable large disk support because we have a 2 GB disk. And it says, setup will restart your computer now. Make sure that the Windows 98 boot disk is in drive A. So we're going to hit enter. And we're going to have to hit boot from CD-ROM again. I told you we were going to say CD-ROM a lot. And start Windows 98 setup from CD-ROM again. Except this time it's going to go to a formatting screen. Setup is preparing to install Windows. Please wait while setup initializes. So we're just going to hit enter. So we're going to hit continue. Well, we're going to actually have to go over here real quick. And there we go. So, there we go. Okay, so we're going to click and capture the mouse. You can't see the message, but it says capture. And now our mouse is right here. So, we're going to start setup. So we're going to hit continue. Really sensitive. We're actually going to plug the fans back. So we're going to install it to C Windows because that's the default. And we're going to go custom. And we're going to get all old Windows 3.1 style thing. All accessories. We'll get all desktop themes, all internet tools. Oh my. I'm so bad at clicking things. Scroll down. All multimedia. Click. All system tools. Okay, there we go. Finally. I did one without opening it up. Okay, and so we're going to call it Big Beige Box. Because that's the channel. We're going to hit next because that's fine. We're going to hit next because that's fine. And we are done. So we're just going to hit restart now. And it's going to do... Okay, we're going to boot from hard disk this time. Okay, name, big, page, box, company, YouTube. I hate how sensitive this mouse is. I accept the agreement. Wait a second, we're going to need a product key. And that's the product key. Y'all aren't going to be able to see it, but it's there, trust me. And Windows 98 saved all information. Finish. Okay, now it's setting up your hardware and any plug-and-play devices. Okay, we're going to have to restart again. Now I'm actually going to eject the disk. This has a little, also a clip from earlier in the video when I was installing Windows. This has a little green light next to it, indicating that it's being read, or a red light if it's being written to. And this CD has like the same thing, I guess. So it's setting up the devices again. I think I just skipped that or something. Yep, okay. It is the 16th, isn't it? Yep, so it is 5:05. Yep. So there is your time for when this video was being recorded. And now we have to just restart one last time. Okay, as you can see the little green light. Oh, I have to insert the disk again. So it wants us to insert the disk, so we inserted the disk, so we're gonna hit enter. And we actually have to go D. I'm pretty sure that's where it wants to read from. Yes, it is. Now, I'm actually using my actual copy of Windows 98. I usually use my backup copy because I don't want to, you know, ruin the original one by, like, scratching it up in a drive or something. But stupid me somehow didn't copy it right. Because this disk will get around 5% in the setup thing, and then it will not be able to find certain files. Okay, so we're just going to set up the display. It's just a display. Search for the best driver to use for your device. I don't have any floppy disk drives. We're going to have to restart our computer a lot. Boot from hard disk. Password. We won't put one. AMD PCNet Family Ethernet Adapter PCI ISA. So that is going to be the fake thing that VirtualBox emulates. We're going to actually go to that using keyboard because the mouse sucks. the update driver. Sounds great. We got a sound. Please insert the disc labeled Windows 98 2nd Edition CD-ROM. I do have it inserted. It's E now, isn't it? Windows 98. Yup, it's at E now. Finished installing software. And we need to restart again. And we're gonna boot from hard disk. So actually, wait. The Windows 98 loading screen actually isn't the same as the text mode, so I should have... But it's okay, because I'm just gonna edit them. I do not have a password. I'm gonna try and crop out all the borders that I can. Search for the best driver for your device. Not there. Definitely there. Next. Unable to find a driver for your device. What device? Yep, I don't know what the system peripheral is. Okay, finish. Watch the logo just slowly scale down, and then once it gets to the very bottom, it changes anyway. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, give it a thumbs down. And please leave a comment explaining what I can do to make it better, or just asking questions. Hopefully in the next video, we're going to be getting VirtualBox guest editions to work inside of it, so that we can run it at full 1080p. If you want to see that, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you can get notified when I upload it. Bye! Okay, if you're still here, we're going to quickly go devices, insert guest edition. See, it's down here. It's a menu of devices, as you can see. And it's unable to insert it. Oh, wait. I know why. I know why. Wait a second. I can't eject the CD drive. See, I'm clicking the button. Reason is, I actually have to go into my computer and go eject it. And now it got ejected. So if I go devices, insert guest edition CD. Yep, it's not working. It tries to run auto run. Can I open it? Explore. Yeah, it's not gonna work. Yeah. So, yeah. Sync up the audio. Make sure my voice isn't echoey or anything. Okay, listen very carefully, me in editing. Okay? And let's just turn the microphone off.